Negative there. And the car is screaming. You can start it up. Okay guys, so I got a 2001 S430 Mercedez Benz. We was locked out, finally got in because the owner didn't know you had a key inside the fob. As you see, it says battery in trunk. But I already tried to access the trunk. Trunk wouldn't open. And there's a special spot on the floor. See that panel right there? You just pull the flooring back, access that panel. Have some screws. One there. The one there is missing, so it makes my job a lot easier. One there, and one there. And once I take this panel off, I'll be back, guys, and show you how to jump this baby. 2001 Mercedes Benz S430.
Okay, now thanks to German engineering, there's no way to get into the trunk with the loss of power in order to jump the battery. We have another solution.
Okay guys, so I figured out what tool works. It's a 10 millimeter. I got my ratchet. I'm gonna loosen this up here, one at a time, while I balance the camera. I'm the man behind the scenes, I'm the man in front of the scenes, and I'm the man that gets you safely back on the street. Let me focus on what I gotta do, and I'll be back. We got life. Alright, let the positive there, needed a little extension. I'll use my ratchet extension. Negative there. And the car is screaming. You can start it up.